Yo, YouTube, what's good? We are back with another vlog. Couple things to do today. We have to take this vinyl over to the vinyl shop, leaking the color a little bit. Shout out to TinyBot for sending me that film. We are going to head over to the shop right now, grind here in my city to get that looked at. By the way, peep the new sub. I don't know how much of it I showed you guys. We got a single 12 in there for now. Sounds good. But without further ado, let's hop right into this video and get us up with a cold start. Let's go. Hell yeah. All right. Hell yeah. All right, y'all, so we just got back from the wrap shop. He is going to wrap it here in a couple weeks, so that means we have to lock the fuck in. We got to, tomorrow for sure, I have to put these fenders on. Get that done. That's what this vlog is basically going to be. You guys are going to see a little bit of me putting the fenders on, walking you guys through how to put those on. But we also have to head over to my buddy's shop, Ghost, also, and talk to him about painting my calipers, because to be honest, dude, I'm running out of time. I don't have a lot of time. We're running out. We still got a lot of things to do. So stick with me here, and we're about to head over and go see Ghost. Peace. Hell yeah. Officially here at the auto shop, Ghost. Let's see what he's up to. Alright, well, I assume he's at lunch. I mean, it's noon over here, so I assume he's at lunch. We're not gonna go see him, but I'll let you see his car and then we'll head home. It's one of his cars. Avante in. It's his other car. I've done some stuff with his car on my vlog, on my other channel, so go check it out. Alright, well, let's go ahead and go home. Oh, by the way, I did end up getting this grill installed here, this carbon grill, but carbon grill is on. Alright, y'all, I know I said I was going to go tomorrow and do this, but we're going to actually end up doing this today. I got plenty of time, hopefully, maybe, so let's go ahead. I'm going to grab these carbon fenders and let's see what we can do. Get these things on. Yo, let's get it. I don't know how I'm gonna get to this one here. Back here I got this little foam piece, so we're gonna figure that shit out later. For now, we're gonna go ahead and get to it though here. 10 mils. 10 mils. Alright, so I see what happens. So there's these two screws right here we got to take out, and that's going to release the front of the fender. We've already got the top out. I'm going to have to finish getting up in there, but figured it out. Take your headlight out, it's a lot easier. Come on. There. First fender off. Well, it started raining on me. As soon as I got the fender off, went to go put the new one on. The new one I can't get the part inside the hood. I can't get that part to screw on. I don't know why. Whew, I'm a little wet. But yeah, we're just gonna hold out for the rain and hope that this rain calms down. slows down at least. I don't care as long as it slows down. So we're pretty much just waiting on the rain. So started raining on me. What's up, you guys? I just want to pop in here real quick and let you guys know that Slow Media is officially selling merch. I have 3 different scents. I have Forest Rain, Black Ice, and a new car scent. These are going to go for $5 each. They got a cool little design on it. And on the back it says stay creative. These things, you know, I put a little bit of work into it. The scents last a long time. If you would like one, comment down below. Let me know. And if you're in the country of South Korea, I should be able to bring it to you. If not, then I could obviously mail it. If you're overseas, let me know. DM me on Instagram. I'll put my links right here so that you guys can follow and send me a DM. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys go buy one. Let's get back into this video. Alright, y'all, we are back at it. I finally got all the bolts in. I got this all the way done. Bumper guard is on. The bumper bolt, the bumper goes into it. Everything on this side is done. So I just got to put in a little T20 screws in there. Unfortunately, I think this side, well, I don't think, I know that this side of the car has been wrecked before. So I'm not able to fully line this side up, and we're going to see how bad it is on the other side compared to this side. But I'm just going to, when I wrap the car black, I'm just going to add like a little vinyl piece in here. It's not that bad. Everything else lines up. Like, see, the door lines up perfectly. This lines up. I mean, I haven't put the hood down, but so who knows? So let's go ahead. We're going to get to the other side. I'm going to set you up on a tripod, and we're going to go from there. See you guys in a second. That's how you take the fender off, you guys, at home. It's a little stressful, sucks, but you don't need a lift. That's how you do this. So I gotta run upstairs, I gotta go grab my fender, and I'll be right back. Ciao. Alright, my suspicions were firm. This side's perfect. This side's been wrecked. Can't do anything about that. So what we're gonna have to do then is, I'll have to, when he wraps this car, I'm gonna see if he can put a piece up under here so that you can't see it as much. But I can't do anything about this. Maybe I can bring it to a body shop, I don't know, but this side's been wrecked, so I can't do much about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up on a tripod, and we'll go ahead and put this one on. That sure looks clean though, so chill. I'll be here in a second. All right, so I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I basically got the top bolts in. I got the bottom bolts here. I put the door bolts back in. The fitment on this is pretty decent. Nothing hits when I open the door. So now currently I'm putting the bumper bracket back on. But one thing I did notice that I did the same thing on that side is that unless you're gonna drill the screw, like the pop rivet holes in for this, I just knocked mine off. You got 2 right here, and I just fucking took them off. You don't really, I mean, I don't see a purpose in them. They just literally come off that simple. So I just popped them off. Then you put them back on here. That side clips on, so I mean, I didn't, you know, I don't see a need for them. I don't know, you know, I'm no mechanic or nothing, but I just, like I said, that's what I did. I just popped them off. You can pop them off, you can put them back on if you want. Then you got to put these 213s back in, and then you're pretty much done. And that's done. That's good. So fender's on. I just gotta put some screws, put some of the T20s back on. Alrighty, so I got the bumper completely on. Everything looks good. Lines up. This side, I mean, can't really do much on this side. The only thing I really see is right here, the headlight, and then that piece right there. So other than that, because the side's been in an accident, I can't really do anything about that. W fenders, bumper is back on. Still gotta put my grill in, put the screws, add some, but that'll be it for the day. Alrighty, you guys, so that'll be the end of the video. Everything is on, everything is good, flawless. Next video that I make, I'm probably gonna be heading over to the wrap shop. We gotta get this car wrapped. That's gonna be in a couple weeks. That's gonna be the next video that I have, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe down below. This was a hell of a job because the car's been in an accident, but stay tuned for the next video where I will reveal the color of the wrap. Yeah, peace out.